Okay guys, we have successfully added our connect function in here. Now MongoDB requires us some schemas, so they recognize our input type. So I'm gonna add them in here. Inside the root of my application, we need to have a folder. I'm gonna call that contact schema. Inside here, we need to have a file contact.js. Okay. Now at first, I'm gonna import Mongoose from Mongoose here, and now we need to store all our schemas inside a variable. So I'm gonna call that contact schema, which is equal to the new mongoose.schema. Okay, inside this parentheses we need to have an object of all our inputs. Now let's copy all our inputs name. So I'm gonna go back to this component and single contacts. I'm gonna copy all of them from here and just paste them here. Okay, now let's define our input type. So for the full name, type is going to be string, and this input is required. Okay, now we have the same types for other inputs, so I just copy and paste them. Alright, now if you want to print the time that the user add a new data, just make a new object in here and call that timestamps and set this to be true. Alright, now down here we need to export a new variable. So I'm gonna call that contacts, which is equal to mongoose.models.contacts, okay, or mongoose.model, and in here we need to add our collection name. In this case it's gonna be contacts, and now we need to pass our schemas. So I'm gonna copy this variable from here and add this here. Okay, we have successfully added our schemas. Now it is time to make our API.